I built it to, well, I originally built all my boxes to just play around and beat the streets. But then team-wise, I was like, I should probably start getting a little bit louder. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna change it up so it has a little bit higher peak to it and it gets a little bit louder. But I like to
use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Could you tell me your name real quick and what's in here?
Taylor Youngblood, Central Florida. Power is a 320 brand X alt. Let me see. 80 amp hour headway setup, 2 SK 3500 scars. They're at 1 ohm each because the subs are sadly not gonna be able to wire down to half. So for burps, I do quarter ohm. Yep. 4 ZV312s built by Coriotis on 4 ZV312s built by Coriotis on tooled frames, X mega rolls, and all that stuff.
Awesome. Who built the box?
I built the box, built and designed it. It could probably be a little better. Do what?
What's your tuning range on it?
It's a 6. The rear is, I think, 6 cubes, tuned about 23. Front is about 9 cubes, tuned around 49.
Okay.
My plan is to rip the rear port out and go from a 6.5 to an 8-inch, and then add about 3 cubes up here and make this whole front bigger.
Yep.
Because it just doesn't perform the way I want. But
okay.
Let's see here.
Did you ever get it on the meter?
Yeah, the most I've ever got out of it was like 53, maybe.
Nice. And you got a headliner, or the top window here. So yeah, most people usually hurt with that. Awesome. Looks good, man.
Thanks. Let's see here. Get the windows down.
Yeah.
What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of Taylor's system. Looking forward to showing y'all how it sounds with a really good bandwidth song. This was at the Made of Steel show in Tampa, Florida area of 2021 when I was recording. Sorry about the masks. We don't wear them today. So if you haven't already, go ahead and comment. Let him know what you think about his system, as well as give him some positive feedback. I really like the way the layout of the box is. It is a 6th order enclosure. He was giving us all the tuning specs, so I don't have to really run that down with you. It is really unique to see that he has 12-inch subwoofers in a C-pillar 6th order. Really musical bandwidth response as well. All the pressure coming out of that bottom chamber out of the front port as well, making it a 6th order. I like the way he has his front baffle actually bolted down into the front baffle, so if he ever needed to do any box adjustment or tweaks or remove the subs, he can remove that baffle. The layout of how his amplifier staging rack was with the fans in the back was really efficient. He did say he was able to run at quarter ohm for when he does SPL burp test, and right now during the demo we're about to get to, they are ran at 1 ohm, so keeps nice clean signal with no distortion. The voltage didn't drop too bad as well, you'll see during the demo. So this makes 4 12-inch subs on 7,000 watts and a really great bandwidth, wide range 6th order enclosure C-pillar wall. Go ahead and get to the cardio-based demo now. If you ever want to have questions, you want to reach out with me, let me know in the comments section, or contact me on Facebook or Instagram, Jacob Vile. Consider subscribing for daily car audio videos every single day, and enjoy.
Get the windows down.
Yeah. on it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I built it to, well, I originally built all my boxes to just play around and beat the streets. But then team-wise, I was like, I should probably start getting a little bit louder.
A little louder, yeah.
So yeah, I'm gonna change it up so it has a little bit higher peak to it and it gets a little bit louder. But I like the bandwidth.
Yes, sir. Thank you, man.
Of course, man.
Team Bass Outlaws.
Yes,
All right.
sir.
Central Florida.
Good to see you, Jake.
Yes, sir.
I think it might just be locked.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeAVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.